Looking for the ultimate protection and style upgrade for your truck bed? In this video, we dive into the top contenders for the best hard folding tonneau covers on the market today. Whether you are aiming to secure your cargo, enhance fuel efficiency, or simply elevate your truck's aesthetics, we have got you covered. Stay tuned as we review and compare features, durability, and ease of installation to help you find the perfect hard folding tonneau cover for your needs. At the first position of our list, we have the Tyger Auto T3 Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, a sleek and versatile choice designed to elevate both the style and functionality of your truck. Crafted with durability in mind, this tonneau cover features heavy-duty dual-coated 24-ounce marine-grade vinyl, ensuring long-lasting protection against elements while maintaining a stylish matte black finish. The trifold design allows for easy access to your truck bed and versatile cargo management, making it ideal for both everyday use and hauling larger items. Equipped with stainless steel clamps and pre-assembled horizontal crossbars, installation is quick and straightforward without requiring drilling. The Tyger Auto T3 also boasts a secure dual-latch system and adjustable tension for a tight fit, effectively enhancing aerodynamics and improving fuel efficiency. Tested for effectiveness in various weather conditions, it provides reliable protection against rain, snow, dust, and UV rays. Whether you are a weekend warrior or rely on your truck for daily tasks, the Tyger Auto T3 Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover offers a perfect blend of durability, design, and functionality. Upgrade your truck today and experience the convenience of a premium tonneau cover that's built to last. At number 2, we have a Toptiny Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, a rugged and versatile solution designed to enhance the functionality and aesthetics of your truck. Built from durable, impact-resistant materials, this tonneau cover offers exceptional protection against the elements while adding a sleek, modern look to your vehicle. Its hard-folding design provides quick access to your truck bed, allowing for convenient loading and unloading of cargo without compromising on security. Crafted with premium aluminum panels and reinforced hinges, the Toptiny tonneau cover ensures long-lasting durability and strength. It features a weather-tight seal that keeps out rain, snow, dust, and debris, making it ideal for year-round use in various climates. The cover's low-profile design improves aerodynamics, which can enhance fuel efficiency and reduce wind noise during travel. Installation is hassle-free with clamp-on rails that require no drilling, preventing the integrity of your truck bed. The Toptiny Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is engineered for reliability and ease of use, making it a perfect choice for truck owners looking to protect their cargo while adding style and practicality to their vehicle. Upgrade your truck today with these premium tonneau cover and experience the ultimate blend of performance and aesthetics. Next up at number 3, we have the Maxmade Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, a versatile and stylish accessory designed to enhance the functionality and appearance of your truck. Crafted from tear-resistant dual-coated marine-grade vinyl with a sleek black finish, this tonneau cover offers durable protection against the elements while maintaining a low-profile aerodynamic design. Its roll-up mechanism allows for quick and easy access to your truck bed, making it ideal for both everyday use and transporting larger cargo. The Maxmade tonneau cover features adjustable tension controls and Velcro side seals to ensure a snug fit and weatherproof performance, effectively shielding your cargo from rain, snow, dust, and UV rays. Installation is straightforward with clamp-on rails that require no drilling, preserving the integrity of your truck bed and facilitating a hassle-free setup. Engineered for durability and longevity, the Maxmade Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is equipped with sturdy aluminum crossbars and reinforced corners to withstand wear and tear over time. Whether you are a weekend adventurer or rely on your truck for a walk, this cover provides reliable protection and enhances the overall efficiency of your vehicle. Upgrade your truck today and experience the convenience and style of the Maxmade Soft Roll-Up Tonneau Cover. The number 4 position is held by YMotor Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, a reliable and versatile addition to enhance the functionality and aesthetics of your truck. Crafted from high-quality materials, this tonneau cover combines durability with a sleek design, offering robust protection against the elements while complementing your vehicle's appearance. Its innovative trifold design allows for easy access to your truck bed, making it convenient for loading and unloading cargo of various sizes. The YMotor tonneau cover features a weather-resistant seal that keeps out rain, dust, and debris, ensuring your cargo remains secure and dry in all weather conditions. Designed for quick installation with clamp-on rails, no drilling is required, preserving the integrity of your truck bed and facilitating a straightforward setup process. Built to last, the YMotor Truck Bed Tonneau Cover boasts reinforced panels and durable hinges, providing long-term reliability and performance. Its low-profile design improves aerodynamics, potentially enhancing fuel efficiency during travel. Whether you use your truck for work or play, this tonneau cover offers a blend of functionality and style. Upgrade your truck today with the YMotor truck bed tonneau cover and experience enhanced protection and convenience on the road. The number 5 position is dominated by Auto Saver 88 Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, a versatile blend of style and functionality. Crafted from premium vinyl and supported by sturdy aluminum frames, this tonneau cover combines durability with a sleek, low-profile design. Its trifold mechanism allows for quick and easy access to your truck bed, making it effortless to load and secure cargo of various sizes. The Auto Saver 88 tonneau cover features a weather-tight seal that keeps moisture, dust and debris out, ensuring your cargo remains protected in all weather conditions. Adjustable tension ensures a snug fit, improving aerodynamics and potentially enhancing fuel efficiency during travel. Installation is straightforward with clamp-on rails that require no drilling, preserving the integrity of your truck bed. Engineered for durability, the Auto Saver 88 Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is built to withstand the vices of daily use and outdoor elements. Whether you are a weekend adventurer or a daily commuter, this cover offers reliable protection and adds a touch of style to your truck. Upgrade your vehicle today and enjoy the convenience and security of the Auto Saver 88 Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Next up at number 6 we have DNA Motoring TTC RU033 Soft Vinyl Roll-Up Tonneau Cover, a sleek and practical solution for enhancing both style and functionality. Crafted from durable, tear-resistant vinyl with a weather-tight seal, this cover provides reliable protection against the elements while maintaining a streamlined, low-profile design. Its roll-up mechanism allows for effortless access to your truck bed, making it easy to load and secure cargo of various sizes. The DNA Motoring Tonneau Cover features adjustable tension and Velcro stripes along the sides, ensuring a tight fit and effective weatherproofing against rain, dust and debris. Installation is straightforward with clamp-on rails that require no drilling, preserving the integrity of your truck bed and facilitating a hassle-free setup. Designed for durability and long-lasting performance, the DNA Motoring Soft Vinyl Roll-Up Tonneau Cover is built to withstand daily use and outdoor conditions. Its lightweight yet robust construction improves aerodynamics, potentially enhancing fuel efficiency during travel. Whether for work or play, this cover offers practicality and style, making it an ideal upgrade for your truck. Experience enhanced protection and convenience on the road with the DNA Motoring TTC RU033 Soft Vinyl Roll-Up Tonneau Cover. Last but certainly not least, finally at number 7 we have the YITAMOTOR Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, a reliable and sleek addition to enhance your vehicle. Crafted from durable, dual-coated vinyl, this tonneau cover combines strength with a smooth, low-profile design that improves aerodynamics and potentially enhances fuel efficiency. Its roll-up mechanism allows for quick and easy access to your truck bed, making it effortless to load and secure cargo of various sizes. The YITAMOTOR tonneau cover features adjustable tension and Velcro stripes along the sides, ensuring a tight and secure fit that keeps out rain, dust and debris. Installation is straightforward with clamp-on rails that require no drilling, preserving the integrity of your truck bed and facilitating a hassle-free setup process. Engineered for durability and long-lasting performance, the YITAMOTOR Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is built to withstand the vices of daily use and outdoor conditions. Whether you use your trucks for work or play, this cover offers reliable protection and adds a touch of style to your vehicle. Upgrade your truck today and experience the convenience and durability of the YITAMOTOR Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Thanks for watching our comprehensive guide to the best hard folding tonneau covers. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more insightful reviews and automotive tips. If you have any questions or want to share your experience with these tonneau covers, drop us a comment below. Stay tuned for more in-depth analysis and recommendations on all things trucks and accessories. Until next time, drive safe and keep trucking.